Hey everybody, I was going to do a video on opening and putting together my third rooster, but it did not come in a box this time. That one and that one came in boxes where I had to put them together. That one just showed up today, already put together. Isn't that cool? This is my third one. It's $199.99 in store, but if you order online, it's cheaper. It's from Tractor Supply. Isn't he magnificent? There's my first one. There's my second one. And this is my third one. Isn't it cute? Well, the bug thinks so too. Anyway, shop in store or go online and get you a metal rooster. They're 6 foot tall. And they come out with new ones each holiday. Trust me, I'll be buying more.